What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Steph the Line Surgeon. Shoot, I hurt my hand the other day, so that snap hurt. As you can see, I have the grave flea right here, and as you can see, we have a dog cage. The customer wanted me to cut inside of this dog cage here, and so I had two choices. I could either use my weed eater to weed eat all in there, which will take me forever, or I can tie a rope to my grave flea and pull the dog cage. Guess which one I'm gonna do. Alright people, I know the first thing you're gonna say, oh Seth, what if you mess up the dog cage or whatever. She says she's planning on tearing it down and taking it down. She just wanted me to cut inside of it and just so they can get in there to take it down. So hopefully I won't mess it up. My goal is not to mess it up, but so what do you think is gonna happen? You think A, the grave flea won't be able to pull it. B, the strap is gonna break. It's like some strap that has been broke like many times when we're trying to pull stuff. Or C, this is gonna break. Well, let's find out. Alright people, it was a success. It did come apart a little bit right there, but it didn't break. It just came out loose at the connection, if you see right there. So now it makes it easier for me to just mow over this stuff instead of having to weed eat it. Make sure there's no rocks or nothing in there. We're good to go. Now I have to move this. I'll probably just pull this by here. Probably easier. Anywho, thought that would be a fun little clip. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. Yes, sir.